The JCR-275 AM/FM dual alarm clock radio with wave sensor. This has 1.25" green LED display with green nightlight, AM/FM receiver with digital frequency display, dual alarm with snooze and weekend cancellation, set alarm for radio or buzzer, high-low dimmer control, auxiliary input jack for connecting all your digital audio players, iPod, MP3, etc. Infrared sensor changes display to show your indoor temperature, alarm time, and radio frequency. It also has indoor temperature and calendar, power save mode. Activate the snooze by waving your hand, which is detected by infrared sensor, which means basically when this is going off, you can wave your hand. Look at that. Look at that. Love it. Infrared technology. JENSEN is quality. They've been around for 90+ years. This is the latest. Very simple to operate, very sleek looking clock. I have to do it again. The wave.